Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve an issue when attempting to rename files, and the error message reads that an unexpected error is keep you from renaming the file. If you continue to receive this error, you can use the error code to search for help with this problem, and the error message or error code reads not enough. Quota is available to process the command. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it guys. Now click on this view by to large icons and select sync center. On left side select manage offline files. Open up new tab over here. There you just need to enable offline files. You just need to enable it guys. In my case I don't have it. That's why I'm not able to click this option. You need to enable offline files in the new tab opens up, and after that the tab says disk usage guys. You just need to move to the next tab over here. You just need to click on it and select that tab. Then there would be an option that to change limits on that page guys. So you need to increase the value, slide the bar to the right, and then select apply and OK for save changes guys. This all you need to do in the disk usage tab guys. After doing it, you just need to save changes, apply and OK for save changes. Now close out of here, and now go ahead and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, your problem will be solved guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.